Yo, what's up? We're headed to the MAGNA meet at Sonic in Cinnaminta, New Jersey. Got my brother-in-law here. Just cruising with the T-tops off. It's a beautiful evening. So we're gonna check out the cars, grab a burger, maybe a orange cream slushy, and hang out. Maybe get some good footage. Some pictures, right?
Pickle slushy.
A pickle slushy, yeah. No, not really. I love pickles, but that sounds disgusting. Feels empty. Shut this off. It's on high.
Yeah, you don't seem like you're blowing that much. You might need another fan blower. Mine blows a lot harder than that on high.
Really?
Yeah. Might want to check the fan blower. You might have shit in there too, Jay.
It's possible. It's never been dropped out.
Shit and stuff in there.
It's never been dropped out. It's possible.
I got a mouse in there running around.
That's what's spinning it right now.
He's like, turn it off, turn it off.
They know what they're talking about.
It's okay. Yeah, it's 100. Yeah.
That's why you come to MAGNA meets. Get other people to work on your stuff. All right, Murph got LED lights underneath his hood. We're gonna go check them out. Ooh. Put your sunglasses on.
It's a light show.
What's up, dude?
Hey, how you doing?
What's up? How you been?
I had a strip ones,
can
right?
be
You
DJ
get tired
here.
at night, we couldn't see nothing. That's cool. I like that. That's cool as shit. Guess what I'm gonna do now?
Help! I'm broke down again.
I have the same.
All right, you ready? It's gonna take us a half hour to get home.
Why is it gonna take a half hour?
Because we're taking back roads with that bubble in my tire. All right, Magna.
Bubble.
That's it from the Magna meet. Beautiful night. Got my AC recharged. Had
Nice
good
and
burger. It's much cooler, even though we got the T-tops off. And we're gonna head out. I found out I need a blower motor, and I also need 2 front tires because I have a broken cord in the one front right. So we'll get that taken care of. Otherwise, we'll see you later. All right, so we were about 4 miles from home, maybe, and we did discover while at Sonic, I think I said this already, that I need 2 front tires because one of them, the cord broke, and there was a shimmy when we got to Sonic. So we were close to Sonic, but you know, we're just gonna limp it home, take it easy. Well, driving home from a stoplight, and it started to shake really bad, so I pulled over. We were only going like 10 miles per hour. Pulled over and pop, and yeah, flat tire, balls. All right, with the magic of editing, we are back on the road. My father-in-law came and brought a spare tire, a jack, and a tire iron. So I have one of my full-size Monte Carlo SS stock wheels on the front right for now. Actually, while we were waiting, I ordered 2 new tires. So they'll be here this week, so we'll get them mounted and balanced next weekend. So yeah, that'll end the video for tonight. It's about 10 of 11. I'm tired, exhausted, and heading home. All right, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more future Buick content. See you guys.